Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the background music on your PlayStation 4. Right now you can hear the default music. So to change this, what I want to do is go up to Settings, and then scroll on down to Themes. Then under here, I want to select a theme. And you can view all the different themes you have on your PlayStation. So if I select the Spirit of the North theme right here and apply this, I can listen to the theme. Now, all these themes should have different background music. So this one has like a piano kind of one. And this is actually one of my favorite themes. So let's go to one of my other favorite themes, is the Tetris Effect one. So this one has like a very star imagey kind of galaxy looking one in the background. And it has a lady voice singing. So this one is probably my favorite theme on the PlayStation as well. So let's apply this Rocket League theme and see if this has any music to it. So if I back out, then here's the Ghost of Tsushima one. This is a good one as well. It's just the Ghost of Tsushima in the background, and there's a bunch of wind blowing, and you can hear birds and other things in the background. So to get more themes, it's very easy. I want to go to this and then scroll all the way down to the bottom right here. You can see there's an option, go to the PlayStation Store and find a theme. So let's go to Find in PlayStation Store, and it says please wait. Then you can locate the theme that you want to go ahead and apply. Now if you go up to the top to add filter, you can go to the price, and then you can just go to the free section. And there's 267 free themes on here. So you can just ignore some of these and then go to the ones you want. So this one over here I kind of like. That one should be free. So look through all these different themes and just apply it, and you should be able to get different background music depending on the theme. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.